Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting exactly what to remove. This prevents accidental loss. Click the first cell and drag, or use Shift plus click for contiguous ranges. Once the selection is visible, press Delete to clear text quickly, or right-click and choose Clear Contents when you want to keep formatting. Make sure to verify the Active Sheet tab and watch the name box to confirm range. If you need the entire sheet, hit Ctrl+A. This is faster and makes the next step predictable. Once done selecting, or when you need targeted removal, open Find and replace with Ctrl+H. Type the exact word or pattern you want to remove, then leave Replace with Empty so Excel deletes matches. Make sure to click Options to limit search to sheet or workbook, and choose Match Case or Match Entire Cell if needed. This avoids unintended deletions. After previewing Find All, press Replace All for speed. If unsure, use Replace to step through examples. To finish, transform or permanently strip text using formulas. You can apply trim to remove extra spaces, substitute to remove specific substrings, or left/right to keep parts. Once results look right, copy the formula column and paste special right arrow values to overwrite originals. Then delete the source columns. If something goes wrong, undo immediately. Check for active filters or hidden rows that hid data, and make sure no formulas reference the deleted cells. This prevents broken links and preserves workbook integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.